It's the letter A. And it's red. It's a red A. A says ah. Where will A go on our puzzle? Did you guess here? Good job. A. A says ah. What letter's next? B. And B says ba. It's light blue. And where will this B go on our puzzle? Did you guess here? Great job. B for ba. What's next? C. And C says k or s. Where would C go? That's right there. Good job. Letter C. Oh, it's the letter D. The letter D is a light green. Neon green, really, and it says duh. Where would it go? Right there. Good job. D. What letter is next? E. And E says eh or E. And where does the letter E go on our puzzle? What do you think? That's right there. Good job. Letter E. Eh. What's next? Oh, it looks like E, but it's the letter F. F says it goes right there. Letter F. What's next? Letter G. And G says G. Where does G go on our puzzle? That's right there. Letter G. G. Letter H is next. H is light blue and H says, where would it go on our puzzle? Did you say right there? Great job. H for What's next? Oh, look at that. It's letter I. I says it or I. And where would it go on our puzzle? That's right there. Is that what you guessed? Good job. I. Letter J is next, and J says J. And what color is our J? It's a dark blue. Where would J go on our puzzle? That's right there, J. Our next letter is red. Do you remember what this letter is called? It's upside down. Letter K, and K goes k, k, and it goes right there. Good job, letter K. Next we have letter L. It's also red. L says L. Where will it go on our puzzle? Right there, great job, you got it. Next is, oh, it's teal. It's letter M. And M says M, like in mommy, M. Where would M go? That's right there. Good job, letter M. Next we have letter N. And N says N, like in nest. Where would it go? That's right, letter N. What letter's next? It's letter O, and O says ah, like an octopus. Ah. Do you know where letter O would go on our puzzle? Right there. Great thinking. Letter O. Ah. Next we have letter P, and P says P, like in popcorn. P. Where would letter P go on our puzzle? Did you say there? Great job. It goes right there. Next we have a letter Q, and Q says qua, like in queen or quiet. Shh, where does it go on our puzzle? Right there, great thinking. Letter Q. Next we have, oh, look at that, it's letter R. Can you say it with me? R. And R goes like in robot. Where would R go on our puzzle? Right there. Great job. Letter R. It's S. S says S, like in snake or snow. Letter S. Where does it go? Right there. Oops, upside down. Letter S. S. Oh, we find in the sand. Letter T. And T says T. Where would T go? That's right. Good job. T goes there. Next we have letter U, and U says like umbrella. Where would you go? Yeah, nice work. Letter U. Oh, what letter is that? V. Can you say it with me? V. V like very, very hot outside. V. Very. V. Next we have letter W, an orange W. And where does W go? That's right there. And it says like watermelon. What letter will be next? It's X. X goes X, like at the end of box. Where would it go? Right there, that's right, X. Our next letter is Y, and Y says, yeah, like yo-yo. Where would Y go? That's right, good job, right there. What will be next? Our last letter is Z. Z, like in zebra. Where does it go? Right there. Good job today, learners.